Alright, hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be putting a short shifter in the Mk6. We were going to put a new oil pan in the Mk3, but still a good amount of snow outside, so the Mk3 will get stuck. So we will do that later. Yeah, alright. I don't know what else is in store for today, but let's start off with doing the short shifter in the Mk6. So what's up to Calvin? What's up, Calvin? Got the Mk2, the Mk3.
Throw me all off in the races.
Oh my god!
So the clutch is my left foot? Is that what that is?
This is factory height or you lowered it? No, it's factory.
Alright, we made it to Vinny's garage, aka the Hoagie Hauler's headquarters. It's freezing in here, but at least we're in the garage and we could
Hey man, it's
do
not
the
that
short
cold.
shifter.
Move to Florida.
Oh yeah, I got my windshield replaced, and there's a $2,000 fine if they take the stickers off the old one and put them on the new one.
Look at this shit.
So they just cut it out of the old windshield.
And they handed it to you?
Yeah, they were like, put this in your dash, and then go get your car inspected.
You have to pay for that.
Nope. CarMax.
Why didn't you
don't
go
have to pay
yet?
the inspection?
Nope.
I thought you were gonna go the next day.
Tuesday. Tomorrow. Yeah, you want to go?
Maybe.
No.
Did you order one of these? That's only $4 grand, $3 grand.
And there's another clip that I have to get in.
Where is it?
It's down to the side first.
Break it. So you need to get this plastic clip off, correct?
Yeah, it should be a metal clip. I don't know what the fuck's going on with it.
It's not metal. It's definitely
I know.
plastic. That makes sense. Save some cost the next model year.
So we got some new wheels here for the Element.
Some Jeepies.
Jeep wheels. Stuff to get spacers for them.
I need to get wheel spacers, yeah.
Yeah.
Like 5 or 10 mil to clear the brake caliper because the inside, this part rubs
Oh yeah.
the calipers. If anybody owns an R56, you know why I had to replace this. This is your valve cover.
Yeah.
Has your PCV valve built into it. And they always break, and so when it does get clogged, if you can't unclog it, you have to spend $300 for a new valve cover. I broke this the second day I owned the car. I thought there was a leak, and when I was checking it, I broke the plastic. $300 later, got it back on the road. List of upgrades. So I just installed a long throw shifter mod. So
This part number and this part number are the same.
The shift's double as long as it used to be because who likes that? We clogged this up for more turbo lag because it was getting too much boost too fast. And the bigger thing is this. We took the struts out and we put lift blocks because the wheel gap was too low. So now we got 2.5 inches like we wanted. But more importantly,
in all seriousness, we were able to put the short shifter in. It's shiny, so that's what counts. I think that adds 10 more horsepower. But yeah, only took a few minutes.
oh my God, it's so drastic. Whoa.
Oh, look who it is.
Look who decided to show up.
What's up, buddy?
You know, finally got the car started.
Nice.
New battery, filled up with coolant, heat works again.
Nice.
So I'm gonna try to put all these little accents on here.
Cool, cool.
Picked up a hand clutch wrench to do the clutch fan.
Nice. We're about to go over to AutoZone and pick up some parts for the Mark 6.
For the Mark 6?
Yeah, short shifter is all done.
Oh, really?
He's gonna do an air filter now.
Sick.
Yeah.
Things all here.
All right, what are we getting?
We're gonna build me an intake.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right, we're all hopping in the Element. We go to the auto parts store. We got the bunch of really good spacers and stuff here.
Sorry.
You got everything you need?
Yeah. They wouldn't have anything like it.
Neon markers for tagging.
That's just my personal opinion.
All right, go start this frickin' race car up. Well, it actually sounds way better. Now, if you just ignore this piece of hot garbage, it sounds good.
Alright, well they're fooling around there with the new air intake system and the short shifter on the Mark 6. Kevin's out here in the freezing cold. Just got some new style 32 center caps that he put in.
Look at his bloody fingers. He's so dedicated.
Now he's putting some new kidney grills in.
Get underneath and push them together.
This is how this is designed to work?
Yep.
I don't see the... It does look like an 8.
Alright, so unfortunately, it looks like the kidney grills are unfortunately the wrong size, so we're going to have to exchange those and get the right ones in. So the Passat Wagon has been sold. It doesn't have a transmission in it, so we have to push it down the road so it can be towed out. So let's see what kind of adventure this is.
My bag Passat, gone forever.
Alright, so that Passat right there used to be on bags at one point, and now it's going to its final resting place, so say goodbye. Sad to see it go?
Bummed. Very bummed.
Oh well.
I bought it brand new, Airlift Performance. He sold it for the same price. Used. Several thousand miles on it.
But that was the full management. That's the thing.
I guess I do ignore that part.
So it was $100 for shipping, $1,500 for the bags.
Dan, did you paint those calipers red or do they come factory like that?
Well, they come like
They come like that.
come like
They come with this too?
what?
Big enough to fit a Doc Martin in?
How vented?
Alright, time for us to go get some pizza now. We're gonna go get some vegan pizza, eat that, and then call it a day from there. Look at this puppy. Hey, puppy. Hi. 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 Hi, other puppies. Nothing. How you doing?
Oh, that comes up. Good thing I like garlic, right?
Good thing you won't be able to taste the pineapple anymore.
Alright, so another successful day. Put a new short shifter and an air filter in the Mk6. Did some small stuff to the E36. Alright, yeah, thanks. Tune in next time. Later.